Bombay Bandra is honoring this towering personality. Was an award, which is a prestigious award as far as Rotary is concerned, and that is Lifetime Achievement Award to a towering personality who has given much more than what he has received in return. I would now request Yashji to do the honors. Thank you. Second awardee is none other than Ram Javaran. Ram is a man of all seasons. There is one famous saying in Sindhi, "You marriage of Manwa," which in literally it means that this man is for every moment, any moment. He is the chairman of Sahyog Foundation, an organization which has rendered human service to the society, particularly the weaker section of society. Ram has been in the forefront to fight the social evils like dowry system, drug abuse, casteism, and so on. He is the ardent promoter of art, culture, and literature. One of the major activities of the Sahyog Foundation is recognition awards for distinguished services rendered in the field of art, culture, sports, medicine, literature, national integration, and so on. This is an annual feature. For each category of award, there is a panel headed by eminent personality. And the Film Awards Committee is headed by Dev Anand. Very recently, on 27th of May, 11th annual award function was held at St. Andrews. And it was a glittering function. There was as many as 40 dignitaries on the dais, starting the Chief Minister and ending with Shatrughan Sinha. You can imagine the popularity and significance of this award. Sahyog Time International is yet another landmark of Sahyog Foundation, and it is edited by Ram. It's a bi-monthly magazine covering a host of topics of cultural heritage, art, literature. Ram is also connected with another famous organization, which is Priyadarshini Academy. Ram is a symbol of determination, sincerity, and courage. He is a soft-spoken and cool. Even in conversation, there is a tinge of melody in his voice, and that is one of his assets. Ram is always available. He goes out of the way to help the needy. No wonder, therefore, in the fitness of things, he is being given an award, a Friend in Need award. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a big hand. And I will request Yashji to kindly do the honors.
Side. एक मिनट, इधर